arrived California. I'm in Hothead Hitters. It's time to pick up the car. Hope you guys are all doing well. Just give you a little quick tour of his shop. All he does primarily is headers. What he's working on right now is a mid-60s little race car, this Corvette powered. That is pretty cool. No, wait a minute. That is really cool. That is a 60s Cheetah. The Bill Thomas Cheetah was an American sports car designed and engineered entirely with American components. It was built from 1963 to 1966 by Chevy performance tuner Bill Thomas. It was developed as a competitor to the Carroll Shelby's Cobra. The production models used fiberglass bodies. Given their high performance potential coupled with some race successes and popularity with slot car fans for their unique shape, the remaining original cars have appreciated in value and are largely considered collector items. If you've seen this car before but you're not quite sure where, it's a possibility that you've seen it as a slot car on one of your racetracks when you were a kid. Since there were only 23 of these made, and I'm told this one is an original, the originals can command a price in upwards of $500,000. Over here, he's got all his supplies up on the racks. Everything he needs to do a fantastic job on your car. Here's an Alumacraft that he's working on currently. As you can see the header work here, as well as he installed a single turbo. Alumacraft, as you know, is a top-notch car. Then it looks like he's got another hot rod race car in here he's getting ready to do a set of headers on. I'm going to show you the work he did on my car, and you will see that he is well worth you bringing your machine out to California if you don't live in California and have him do the work for you. We told you we had some surprises for you, and so let's check it out. So what Hothead Headers did for me was he installed the intercooler. Nice. Installed the twin turbos, custom made the exhaust to suit the car, blow off valve, I think the work he did was fantastic. He made the intercooler mounts, did all the intercooler duct work, ran out of clamps. I've got to add some clamps here. I like the way he put the filters. So stay tuned to watch us tune it.